Okay, students, good morning. Today we are going to study the remaining part of that chapter. That is the name of that chapter, plants, structure and function, and we have completed up to the roots, stem and the leaves. Then the next part of that plant is the flower. Flower is the important part, very important part of that plant because it takes part into the reproduction. That is, the flower may have a long stalk or short stalk called as pedicel. Then one end of that pedicel is attached to the stem, and the other end of pedicel is expanded and swollen. That is, the flower has the stalk or the pedicel which is attached to the base or attached to the branch. Then that swollen part is called as receptacle. The swollen part is called as receptacle. Petals and other parts of the flower are supported to the receptacles. Then calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium are the different parts of that flower. Calyx, corolla and gynoecium are the different parts of that flower. Calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium are the four main parts of that flower. See, in your textbook, they give the figure parts of that flower, and you have to draw the figure of that parts of that flower. That is calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium. Then vertical section of that hibiscus flower is given there. You have to draw the figure of that vertical section of the hibiscus flower. Then we will study each part one by one. That is, first is the calyx. Calyx. It is the outermost व्हर. It is the outermost व्हर. बाहेरचं आवरण आहे, सगळ्यात बाहेरचं आवरण आहे. Mostly it is in green color. It is the outermost व्हर of the flower and it is in green color, and the function of that part is to protect the flower when it is in bud condition. To protect the flower when it is in बर्ड कंडिशन. जेव्हा कळीच्या स्वरूपात फुल असतं तेव्हा त्याचं संरक्षण करणं हे त्या कॅलिक्सच काम असतं. Each part of that calyx is called as sepals. Sepals. Each part of that calyx is called as sepals. That is outermost व्हर. नितलपुंज, त्याला मराठीमध्ये आपण नितलपुंज म्हणतो. कॅलिक्स सगळ्यात बाहेरचा भाग आहे, आउटरमोस्ट व्हर, अँड परफॉर्म द फंक्शन टू प्रोटेक्ट द फ्लावर वेन इट इज इन बर्ड कंडिशन. कळीच्या अवस्थेमध्ये जेव्हा फूल असते तेव्हा त्याचं संरक्षण करणं हे ह्या सर्वात बाहेरचा जो भाग आहे कॅलिक्स, त्याचं ते काम आहे. देन करोला. Corolla. It is the secondmost व्हर. It is the secondmost व्हर of the flower and it is made up of colorful parts called as petals. Colorful parts called as petals. Sepals are green in color. Colorful. Colorful part. Color Green in color, this is colorful part of the flower, and it has different smells. It has different smells. Some flower does not have smell, some flower have a beautiful smell. Then the function of that corolla, function of the corolla is to attract the insects for pollination, to attract the insect for pollination. सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचं काम आहे या दलपुंज या भागाचं की कीटकांना आकर्षून घेणे, कशासाठी? परागीभवन होण्यासाठी, अट्रॅक्ट द इन्सेक्ट फॉर pollination. Then smell varies from flower to flower. For example, rose, chrysanthemum, hibiscus, mogra, kaner, tagar, etc. They have the very beautiful smells, and the main function of that part is very important. That is corolla, to attract the insect for pollination. Then androecium, fourth part is androecium. Third part is androecium. Androecium, it is the third part or third whorl of that flower, and very important part, that is takes part into the reproduction. That is the androecium. पुमंग, याला मराठीमध्ये पुमंग असं म्हणतात. androecium, that is the male reproductive part. It is the male reproductive part. Male reproductive part of the flower. Male reproductive part of the flower, that is takes part into the reproduction. Then it consists of stamens. It consists of stamens. If you draw the figure, then you can show that stamens. तुम्ही त्या ठिकाणी आकृती काढल्यानंतर तुम्ही त्या ठिकाणी पहा, फुलामध्ये आहे स्टॅमिन्स. जो मेल पार्ट आहे अँड्रोसियम, त्याला आपण पुमंग म्हणतो, तर त्याचे सर्व भाग दाखवलेले आहेत. It consists of stamens, and each stamen is made up of anther and filament. Each stamen is made up of anther and filament. Then next part is gynoecium. Third word is gynoecium. Gynoecium, जायांग, याला मराठीमध्ये आपण जायांग म्हणतो. गायनोसियम, that is, it is the fourth whorl and very important, which takes part into the reproduction. This androecium and gynoecium both are taking part into the reproduction of that flower, sexual reproduction of the flower. लैंगिक प्रजननामध्ये दोन महत्त्वाचे घटक असतात की ज्यांच्यामुळे नंतर रूपांतर त्या फुलाचं फळामध्ये होत असते. म्हणून फूल हा अत्यंत महत्त्वाचा भाग आहे, कारण की त्याच्यापासून फळ तयार होतं आणि फळामध्ये बिया असतात आणि त्या बीपासून पुन्हा नवीन वनस्पती तयार होत असतात. म्हणून फूल हा अत्यंत महत्त्वाचा भाग आहे वनस्पतीचा. फ्लावर इज अ व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट पार्ट ऑफ दॅट फ्लावर बिकॉज अँड्रोसियम अँड गायनोसियम गेट्स fertilized to each other and they form the seed fruit, and seeds are present into the fruits, and from the seed we can obtain or grow the different plants from the same plant. That is why this flower is very important part of that flower. Gynoecium, gynoecium, it is the female reproductive part of that flower. Female reproductive, female reproductive part of the flower. Female reproductive part of the flower. फुलामधला हा मादी घटक आहे. Female reproductive part of the flower which take part into the reproduction. Then this is made up of, this gynoecium is made up of carpels. A carpel consists of stigma, style and ovary. Stigma, style and ओहरी. स्टिग्मा इज द अपर मोस्ट पार्ट, सगळ्यात वरचा भाग आहे स्टिग्मा, त्याला कुक्षी वृंत किंवा कुक्षी असं म्हणतात. दॅट इज पॉलिनेशन हॅपन्स ऑन द स्टिग्मा. पोलन ग्रेन्स आर फॉल्स ऑन द स्टिग्मा अँड देन दे गेट जर्मिनेट देअर. ड्यू टू दॅट स्टिकी सबस्टन्स पोलन ग्रेन्स स्टिक टू दॅट स्टिग्मा. त्या स्टिग्माचे तिथे पोलन ग्रेन्स चिकटून राहतात, तिथेच रुजतात आणि त्याच्यापासून पोलन ट्यूब तयार होऊन त्याच्यामध्ये 2 गॅमेट्स तयार होतात, मेल गॅमेट्स, आणि मग ते ओव्हरीकडे जाऊन तिथे फर्टिलायझेशन तयार होते आणि फर्टिलाइज झाल्यानंतर त्या ठिकाणी फुलाचं रूपांतर फळामध्ये व्हायला सुरुवात होते. म्हणून फूल हा अत्यंत महत्त्वाचा भाग आहे. आफ्टर मॅच्युरिटी anther burst and the pollen grains which are released fall on the stigma. This process is called as pollination. Due to pollination, ovules, egg cell in the ovary get fertilized. Fertilized ovule from the form the seeds and ovary develops into fruit. Okay, then next part is, or the last part of that plant is the fruit. Fruits. See, fruits are also very important part because they consist of the seeds, and from the seed again new plants are gets formed. That is why fruits are also very important. We know that we already eat different types of fruits. Then some fruits have the large seeds, some has very smaller seeds, multiple seeds, many seeds are there. That is, they have also very sweet taste, or the different tastes of that fruits are also we can observe. For example, tamarind has the sour taste. Some fruits are very sweet, some have sour taste, some are bitter in taste. That is, taste of that fruit are different or varies from plant to plant. There are variations in their shapes, colors and taste. There are variation in their shapes, taste and colors. Mango contains only one seed. Mango contains only one seed. आंब्यामध्ये एकच बी असते. Mango contains only one seed. Where jackfruit consists of many smaller fruitlets. Many smaller fruitlets. That is consist of many seeds. into the jackfruit. फणसामध्ये अनेक गरे असतात आणि त्या गऱ्यांमध्ये एक एक बी असते, म्हणजे मल्टिपल सीड्स आर देअर. जास्त आहे. मँगोमध्ये एकच सीड आहे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल अनदर फ्रूट इज एक्झाम्पल इज गिवन देअर, पेर, जिजिपस, बोरं, ठीक आहे ना, मँगो, चिक्कू, ॲपल. देन you already eaten that fruits and take the taste of that fruits also. It consists of single seed or many seeds. That is why fruit is very important part. Cashew is there, peanuts, tomatoes, different fruits are given into your textbook. If you want, then try to draw the figures of that. Then some seeds are the dicotyledons, some seeds are the monocotyledons. That is, seeds which do not divide into two equal parts are called monocotyledon. We already studied that, monocotyledon, dicotyledon. But single seed or many seeds, and the fruits is important part of that plant because it consists of the seeds. Okay, we are completing here our chapter. Then we will continue to the next part, our third chapter, properties of natural resources. Okay, thank you.